Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kushwaha from the Department of Applied Economics. My topic is WPI and CPI, which stand for Wholesale Price Index and Consumer Price Index. So to discuss the concept of WPI CPI, we need to understand the basic differences between WPI and CPI. So starting with the definition, WPI refers to the average change in the wholesale change in the price of goods at the wholesale level. On the other hand, CPI refers to the average change in the price of goods and services at a retail level. The next difference is who published the report of WPI and CPI. WPI report is published by the Office of Economic Advisor under the Ministry of Commerce and Industries, whereas the CPI reports published by the Central Statistic Office, which is also known as CSO. The next difference is inflation measurement. WPI measure the inflation at the first or the initial stage of the transaction. On the other hand, CPI measures the inflation at the final or last stage of the transaction. Commodities include, WPI includes only goods, whereas CPI include both goods and services. The next difference is who paid the price. The WPI price is paid by the manufacturer or the wholesaler, whereas the CPI price paid by the consumer. The next difference is reference year for calculation. WPI uses financial year as a reference, which is 1st April to 31st March, and on the other hand, CPI uses calendar year as a reference, which starts from 1st January to 31st December. Item covered. WPI covered 697 items. On the other hand, CPI divided into two basket. First is rural basket and second is urban basket. In rural basket, 448 goods and services, and on the second urban basket, 460 goods and services. The next difference is base year. WPI uses 2011 and 12 as its base year, whereas CPI uses 2012 as a base year. The next difference is who used the WPI and CPI model. WPI used by only few countries including India, and the CPI uses by 157 countries. So these are the some differences between WPI and CPI. I hope this will help to understand the difference between WPI and CPI. Thank you.